Alright, so this is IXL E5. Let's get this started. Please be aware of the main difference between a substance versus a compound. Substance is made up of only one type of element, okay? So right here, the formula for helium is He. So therefore, since you only see one element, it's going to be a substance. Next one, you see that it says C6H12O6 right here. That's for glucose. Glucose is obviously made up of more than one type of element, so this is going to be a compound. Next one up, ozone is of O3. So once again, even though it's three types of oxygen, it's only one element, okay? It's only one type of element. So like, for example, you could have white eggs and brown eggs. If you just have three white eggs, it's just one type of egg. So this is one type of element, so that's going to be a substance. Okay. Next one, potassium nitrate right here. It says KNO3. So K is potassium, N is nitrogen, O is oxygen. So that's going to be a compound because it's made up of more than one element. Alright, the next one, SiO2. Once again, you have silicon and oxygen. It says right there, silicon dioxide. Another quick way to know if you have two different elements or more, if there's a capitalized letter, it denotes a new element, okay? So that's going to be a compound. And that's good. Stage 2, same idea, but this time you're just clicking all these compounds. Once again, you look for things that have more than one element in it. So SiH4, CS with a capital F, then K with a capital F, those are all different types of elements put together, okay? Only graphite is just one thing, so that one doesn't count. Next one, elementary substances. Once again, just something that's made up of only one thing. So cyclooctasulfur. Okay. Next one over here, anything that's a substance is made up of only one element specifically. Just one. So beryllium, because the E is lowercase, that's still just one element. Over here, F2, fluorine. Okay. And we'll do a couple more. All the compounds, once again, any capitalized letter denotes a new element. So HI is one, FeS2 is another one, KCl, the C is capitalized, PBr, that's potassium and bromine. Okay, so that's all four. Alright, and last but not least here, everything here is a compound, KOH, three capitalized elements, Ca is calcium, O is oxygen, here carbon and capitalized H, so carbon hydrogen, oh, don't worry about that. And last one is CH3FO, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, so that's a compound too. Okay? Alright, so hopefully you get that idea. Stage 3 is the same thing, except now you're just classifying it as substance or compounds. Once again, substance is only made up of some element that's of one element type. Okay? This is only just oxygen, that's only just bromine, that's just ruthenium. Okay? These three are all made up of compounds because they're made up of more than one type of element, so those go there. Okay? Alright, and I think you get the idea from there. Alright? So E6 is similar to E3 and E4. If you look here, it says specifically that it's made up of carbon. So another good way to tell is if it's made up of only one color, it's going to be a substance. Okay? One thing. Alright, next one here. This is also going to be a substance because you only see one color. It says cyclooctasulfur. Just one element right there. So, substance. Alright, next one. CHO. This is obviously going to be a compound because it's made up of three different types of things. Okay? Next one here. We don't need to worry about that. Okay, this one. Once again, platinum of only one color. And it's only made up of one thing in the key. So that's going to be a substance. And then right here you have ClRb, so chlorine and rubidium, so that's going to be a compound, okay? Alright, I'm going to do a couple in stage 2 and I'm going to stop there, okay? Anything here that is a compound, okay? So compounds need to be something that's made up of more than one different type of element. So a quick way to do it is just to see anyone that has more than one different color. So if it has two different colors or more, it's going to be a compound, okay? So that's 5 of them right there. Next one here. Anything here that's a compound needs to be made of two or more different types of elements. The only one here that has more than one different color in the picture is ethane. So that's going to be your compound there. Okay. Anything that's an elementary substance has to have only one color because it's only made up of one thing. So therefore this one and that one. Okay. And then here, elementary substance. Once again, made of only one type of element. So one color, magnesium, palladium. Alright. And last but not least, compounds here. You got to look for 2 or more different types of colors or 2 or more different types of elements. So silicon dioxide, tungsten carbide, graphites, just carbon, alpha tins, just tin, silicon, diamonds also carbon according to the legend there. Okay. Alright, so hopefully you guys got that idea. This last one, I'm just going to do one example and then I'm going to cut it. As you can see, everything here is an element if it's only made up of one color. So these are all going to be your elementary substances. This one is potassium bromide. It has 2 different colors. Purple is potassium, I think, and BR is dark red. That's bromine. So that's going to be compound. Okay? Alright, so hopefully you get the idea from that. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Alright, peace.